Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I am going to teach you to create your Reddit account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already installed Reddit app in your device. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Reddit app. Here I go. At the bottom, you can see different options. Tap on that bell icon option. Here I go. Now tap on sign up. Here you can continue with Google, Apple, or also you can enter your email, username and password directly. Here I would like to enter my email, username and password directly. Now you have to enter your username. You have to choose unique username for your Reddit account. Now you have to choose password for your Reddit account. After you are done, you have to tap on continue. Now you have to tell Reddit about yourself. Here I would not like to save the password, so I will be tapping on not now. Here you have to choose your gender. Here I go. After you have chose the gender, tap on continue. Now you have to choose what topics are you interested in. Here I will be choosing food, fashion, finance and business, beauty. After you have chose the topics you were interested in, you have to tap on continue. Here I would like to select all. Here I go. After you have selected, you have to tap on save and continue. Also you can randomize your avatar, but for now I will be tapping on save and continue. You can see that I have easily created my Reddit account. In this way, you can also create your Reddit account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.